6th standard students, let us start from 3.5 common factors and common multiples. Factors, that means given number should be divisible by those numbers, and multiples, that means when we write the table form, suppose that 4. So common factors, first we will talk about factors. So factors of 4, 4 is divisible by 1, by 2, by 4. And if we will talk about multiples, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 4, 8, 12, these are multiples, and 1 to 4 are factors. Observe the factors of some numbers taken in pairs. What are the factors of 4 and 18? So already I talked about the factors of 4 and factors of 18. 18 is divisible by 1, by 2, by 3, by 6, by 9 and 18. Now common factors, you can see 1 and 2. So these two factors are common in both the factors of the numbers. Now find the common factors of 8 and 20. So first you will write, and these two questions you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. First you will write given numbers are 8 and 20, then factors of 8. All the factors of 8. So factors of 8 will be, it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 4, and lastly it is divisible by 8. So 4 factors you will get in 20. 20 is divisible by 1, by 2, by 4, by 5, then 6 not, 7 not, 9 not divisible by 9, then 10 and directly by 20. Then common factors you will find. Now what are the common factors of 4 and 15? These two numbers have only one as common factors. When we will write the factors of 4, we know the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4, and factors of 15, 1 and 15, two factors other than 3 and 5. So no number is common except 1. So the numbers having only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Keep this thing in your mind. It's very handy. So thus 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. 7 and 15, 12 and 41, 18 and 23 also co-prime numbers. Now can we find the common factors of 4, 12 and 16? So first we will write the factors of all the factors of 4, then all the factors of 12, then 16, and we will see common. So you can see 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4. Clear? So you will write in all these three factors 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors. Let us now look at the multiples of more than one number taken at a time. So you can see here what are the multiples of 4. 4 twos are 8, 12, 16. Here so many multiples you can see, and here also. Now common multiples, so 12 here and 12 also there. So common multiples, after that 24. So common multiples of 4 and 6, 12, 24, 36 and so on. Uncountable. Now same way find the common multiples of 3, 5. So table of 3, then 5 and 6. Now you can see here when you will proceed 30, 30, 30. After 30, 60 is divisible by 3, 60 is divisible by 5, 60 is divisible by 6. So next will be 60. So in this way you will get uncountable multiples, and we can say that uncountable common multiples. Now here is written, write a few more common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. So when you will form so many multiples, so next multiples also you will get. Now example 5 and 6 you will do yourself. Now we will start exercise 3.4. Find the common factors of 20 and 28 and these numbers. So let us start solution of the sum. You can see the first question. Sub-question A. Given numbers are 20 and 28 and factors, how you will find 1 into 20, 20, 2 in 10s are 20, then 4 5s are 20. Now 5 4s are, so 5 already written. So in U shape you will write the factors. So factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Factors of 20, 1, 20, 1 into 28, 28, 2 into 14, 28. Then next 28 is not divisible by 3, then 4, 4 7s are 28. 28 is not divisible by 5, by 6. Next number 7 already written. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Now common factors of 20 and 28. 1, 1, 1. Here 2. Here also 2. 2, 4, 4. Except there, this no number is common. So common factors of 20 and 28 is equal 1, 2, 4. It is your answer. In this way you will solve the sum, and if you are having any query you can ask me. Now B, C and D you will solve. Now I am solving for you. Find the common factors of this and this. So I am solving for you B, you will solve A. Same way we will solve this one also. In this question 2 numbers are there, but in this question 3 numbers are there. So let us start. Now question number 2 part B. Given numbers are 5, 15 and 25. You can see factors of 5. 5 is a prime number, so only 2 factors it is having. Factors of 15, 1 into 15, 3 into 5. Then and factors of 25, 1 into 25, 5 5s are 25. So you can see factors of 5, 1 and 5. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 25, 1, 5, 25. Now common factors of 5, 15 and 25, 1, 1, 1. In all the 3, 1 is common. And here 5 is common. So common factors of 5, 15 and 25 is equal 1 and 5. Now same way you will solve this sum. Okay. Find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8, 12 and 18. In multiples what we will do? Like table. So first we will write multiples of 6, multiples of 8 and then common multiples we will take out. So I am solving for you this one. Question number 3 part B. Given numbers are 12 and 18. So multiples of 12. You will not write only 12. 12 equal to, it's wrong method. Multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 2s are 24, 3s are 36 and so on. You can see here. And dash dash dash. Uncountable multiples we can get. Multiples of 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. Then so on. Now common multiples you can see 36 first multiple, then 72, 108. So common multiples of 12 and 18, 36, 72, 108 and so on. Now see here question number 4th. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So multiples of 3 and 4 till 100 we will write, and here also we will write till 100, then common multiples we will calculate. Okay, let us start. So in 4th question you can see given numbers are 3 and 4. Multiples of 3 you can write, and after 30 you will add 3, 33. In 33 if you will add 3, 36 and so on, you can write till less than 100. Now multiples of 4 also you will write. up to 100 or less than 100. Now common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100: 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. You can see the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 is a 36. You can see here common multiples. If you will observe here, 12 is here, 12 is there, 12 is there, 12 is here, 24 is here, 24 is there. Now 36, 36, 48, 48. So in this way you will collect all the multiples and you will solve this question. Okay. Now in fifth question, which of the following numbers are co-prime? According to the definition of co-prime numbers, if we will write all the factors of the given numbers and except one there is no common factor, then numbers will be called co-prime numbers. So I am solving for you this one. Okay, let us start. Now a part of fifth question, given numbers 18 and 35. Now factors of 18, you can see here. You will do rough work also in your CW notebook. 1 into 18, 2 in 9 is 18, 3 6 is 18. So all the factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 35, 1 into 35 equal to 35, 5 7 is 35. So 1, 5, 7, 35. Now common factors of 18 and 35, only 1. So 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. In this way you will solve. If you are having any query, you can ask me. Now sixth question, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? So let us start this sum. In this question, first you will write multiples of 5, then multiples of 12. Now you can see common multiples 60 and other than 60, 120 also will be there. I have not written here, but if you will see, so next multiple will be 120. 60 and 60 is common, other than 60, 120. You can see here the first smallest multiple is 60. So here the first common multiple of 5 and 12 is 60. Here S you will not write because we are talking about only multiple. So we will write here the first common multiple of 5 and 12 is 60. So if the number is divisible by 5 and 12, then that number will be divisible by 60. So other number will be 60. Clear? Now in the seventh question, a number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will the number be divisible? Here two numbers are given, so multiples we have calculated, but here one number is given, so we will talk about factors. Okay, so we will write all the factors of 12. So you can see here given number is 12, factors of 12, 1 into 12, 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. If the number is divisible by 12, then that number also divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So if two numbers are given, which method we will apply? Common multiples method. And if one number is given, factors method we will apply. Okay. So here your 3.4 is finished.